So we're going to go ahead and go a little bit further on this thing. We're going to go ahead and show you the valves and how this thing actually operates. First of all, you have on this, you have your off button. It's all push button. I mean, extremely easy to use. You have bake, you have convection bake, you have convection broil. And then on this also you have clean, so easy cleanup. And we're going to get into that. We're going to show you where the easy cleanup is on this particular unit. So here we go. We're going to turn this thing on. Don't have this one plugged up, but we are going to show you a little bit later on what color the light actually is on this. And this thing actually lights up right here. And it shows you that that particular burner is on. There's no guesswork to it. It shows you what it's on, what setting it's actually at, how much controllability when you're trying to cook. You know, I mean, they just do a great job. Got your front, back burners. You have your center burner here, and then your oven burner here. A center burner, I mean, think about it. You know, you got a big pot, 17,500 BTUs, right in the center stove. You can put your big 20-quart pot if you wanted to. Then we got the light switch for the oven. And the light switch for the oven, again, if it was plugged in, great light, great view into the unit itself. Okay, folks, something we want to point out on this particular unit is the size of the window. It's 23.5 by 11.5. Again, the phrase here at DCS is cooking by looking. Just an incredible view of what you have in your unit. The other thing about having a larger window, which your competitors don't have in the cooking by looking, is you don't have to open the unit. Every time you open the unit, you're letting heat out and you're cutting down on your cooking time. You know, if you go into most restaurants today, next restaurant you visit, go visit their back room. You're going to find that the commercial ovens all have the big windows so that the chef does not have to open the unit to cut down on their cooking time. So we're going to take one more step down. We're going to get down to what I consider the meat and potatoes of a commercial unit, and that's the oven. I mean, you look at all the chefs out there, they love to bake, they love to broil. This is the meat and potatoes. One of the things that is DCS's signature on these particular units is this actual grate. Take a finger, look at this. That grate pulls out with a finger. A lot of units don't have the type rollers that they have, and you gotta tussle with them to get them out. DCS don't. They thought about it. They're very innovative. You actually have, on this particular unit, you have 4 acts. Look at there, just one finger. And I'm pulling that thing out. Absolutely incredible. So we're going to go ahead and one of the other things I want to point out before we get down and start looking at all this stuff is, you know, I hate, you know, getting the oven. We go ahead and fire it up. We set it to 350, and you really don't know whether it's there or not on a lot of units out there. When you actually fire this thing up, it's going to have the little blue light that says heating. When it's ready, it's going to tell you it's ready. And they even have a light that if you have the door locked when you're on the clean mode. So very, very, very user-friendly.